after a few minutes, they're all the same.
Hey, quit talking.
Why?
Because you're going to be in the background. That's why.
Oh, are you
Nosy,
videoing?
nosy much?
Let's walk a little bit to the side.
No, hey, stay right here.
Look at that lake.
It's no lake, it's a river. There's a difference.
We're being smart ass.
Yeah, that's like my thing.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting kind of tired of it.
You watching?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm going to have to mute it, but it's still pretty awesome.
What
What are you laughing at?
That's pretty. Hey, look.
I don't know. They just don't seem like they're going up.
Well, they were. Woo, there we go.
Hey, you're not
I can't even see you, so. That was loud. Oh, that's pretty. It's like they just come out of nowhere. Yeah, it's so pretty.
No,
No.
stay here.
We're not going to go down because the car's back here.
Yeah, they're shooting their own.
Yeah.
Look at the traffic.
I see the traffic. There's a lot of people down here.
Bumper to bumper. I'm surprised they would allow that.
What?
Shooting their own. It's crowded as
Do you think a cop can get down here to stop it?
That's true. He probably wouldn't even try. I know I wouldn't. I'm getting tired of standing. Why didn't you bring a long chair?
Watch the fire.
You want me to go get the stroller and you can sit in it?
No. No, thank you.